This is part one of the STI exhaust, stock exhaust gut.
These are all the baffles, restrictor shield plates. Had to bang out. These look like glass packs. You can see I took a hammer to it, cut it, banged it out. They got little glass packing in there. And I cut the exhaust right down the center. Drilled out a bunch of the spot tack rivets. I was bored.
If you ask why I did this,
I'm just playing around with it. It ain't worth nothing really.
so I'll have to weld it out tomorrow and throw it on the car. So stay tuned for part two. Well, these are all the tools I used.
Cut off grinder wheel. I tried using a wood saw, no luck. Drill and the hammer.